Hi, did you miss me so much over break? I missed you too. That's why I created some work for you. You are going to need your choice reading book. Mine is the best we could do, your digital notebook to the reading log section, and of course, our Canvas module page. Let's go ahead and start that first. Navigate to modules and then find the week that says winter break, async work. You're just doing 4 reading log entries. So you can just navigate to these slides, which will click to this document right here. And then remember from last week that your format is here. So you can copy, Control or Command C, go back to your notebook, and then Control or Command V as needed. You are going to do at least 4 entries. If you're doing an Aspire to, you are doing 6. Remember, you have 2 weeks to get this done. So let's talk about what those entries are real fast. Remember, you can also hit pause at any point on this video. Your table of contents is going to give you the information that you need. Winter break covers 2 weeks of reading. So you're going to look at slides 7, 8, and if you want to do the Aspire to, you can look at 9 as well. So let's go ahead and pull up those slides right now. You're going to do 2 aha moments. This is just something that connected with you, made you think, totally up to you. Remember, the keyword of the prompt will be aha. Remember also that you, in your notebook, can go ahead and you can go forward or backwards in the text. If you had a moment earlier in the book that made you think, but you weren't sure, you can go ahead and like jump around. You don't have to like, just because your last quote was page 113, that doesn't mean that this one has to be after 113. Please do 2 aha moments and 2 figurative language moments. We haven't talked about these yet, but figurative language, think back to our narrative unit in the beginning of the school year here. So figurative language will cover descriptive writing. So things like character description, blocking, it could also be setting description, sensory imagery. It could also be tools like simile or metaphor or dialogue if it's used effectively. Personification, that was an Aspire to term, giving human-like qualities to non-human things from the beginning of the year. You're going to do 2 figurative language prompts as well. So you should have 2 aha moments, 2 figurative language prompts. You can go ahead and stop this video now if you don't want to go on to the Aspire to. If you want to go onto the Aspire to, or at least check out what it's doing, look at slide 9 on your slide deck and keep going with this video. So slide 9 will give you winter break, and you're going to do 1 with words. You've done 1 type of this entry before, so this is a unique word, a word that's new or that connects into vocabulary from our unit, or a word that really changes the entire meaning of the scene, the context, the book itself even. And then you'll do 1 more entry that's about writing style. We did 1 of these before, so you could identify a sentence type and talk about why that sentence type is powerful in that moment. So something like a compound sentence really helps illustrate how complicated this moment is. You could also try and find a positive or an embedded quote, parallel structure, or just sentences that have an interesting rhythm. So all told, you should have at least 4 to 6 entries over winter break, plus the 2 to 3 from the week before. And I will see you when we come all back together in the year 2021. See ya. Bye.